child bird hunter. He's going to throw this pine cone to get his tucker. And he missed. And the birds haven't flown away yet.
Wait, he's still not. Still not.
Don't move. Don't look that way. Look over here. Not at Jono, at Daniel.
Fucking what?
Jono's gay.
Shut up.
He's hunting to get the pine cone. He's hunting for his tucker. His coon tucker. This is the native coon eating habitat ritual.
All the coons flock under the magical tree of life to feast upon.
He's now doing the crazy bird dance where he rolls the pine cone, dances around
Like a coon.
They just think he's part of the natural habitat. Now he's dropping the pine cone, so the bird thinks that he's not going to throw it at them.
The bird's a ranger.
He's now hiding it in his crutch.
He likes things in his crotch.
Oh! Dude! You killed it! You killed it!
Yeah, it's dead.
Dude, you broke its neck. Come have a look.